Review of the Dewalt Cantilever Toolbox. Got two latches. It's got a handle. It's got wheels in the back to move it around. It's pretty tall, as you can see. Push this button here. Handle falls down. It's pretty tough. You open it up. First layer, it's got a full-size toolbox. Push this lever up. Put your foot on the side, and it cantilevers open. 3 levels. I'm using it as a camp kitchen. It's got plenty of storage for plates, cups, bowls, glasses. It's got these little plastic dividers that you can put in there, take them out. Not too bad. I bought this instead of these bins because bins are such a hassle when you're camping. You're always going through stuff. This looks pretty cool.